What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a new surprise here. Big surprise, I guess. I got my Corsa exhaust. Winston likes it too. So I applied for their ambassador program with my Tundra, and they accepted me. So they gave me a partial sponsorship on the Corsa. So I'm going to do a quick install video. I'm not going to show everything. I'll kind of go through the steps though, but I'm going to get this thing on. I'll let you guys hear how it sounds. Guess we'll unbox it first. Package really good. Made in Ohio, for those who don't know. Made in America. Yes, there's the instructions. Packaged really nice. Here's the exhaust clamps. Oh, here's that twin tip I like. Look at this baby. It's got here Corsa on the top. That's gonna look good. What do you guys think? You can see it next to the factory one, so. And then all this stainless steel, guys. Look how nice this is packaged. Super sweet. Well, I guess I need to get the factory exhaust off first. That's really the first step. So I guess maybe we should unpack everything. I don't know. Uh-oh. I can't believe how well packaged this is, guys. Look at this. Really nice. Here's the header pipe. That's what I need first anyway. I'm stoked, guys. I've been waiting for this. I ordered it back in August, and then Corsa was a little backed up. They said they let me know up front, but whoo, I've been waiting. Well, let's get the factory stuff off, and then we can get this installed. All right, guys, take this tailpipe off. It's a 12 millimeter right here on this clamp. There we go. There's two. There you go, the hanger. So let's go back to the hanger. Here we go. Now it's come off. Easy peasy. Alright guys, these front flange bolts are 14 millimeter. And they're not rusty. rusted a lot more, guys. Alright guys, now we gotta get them off the hangers. Alright, so at the front there's a hanger, and in the back, right here there's a hanger. So I'm gonna do those two and drop the muffler. There we go. Oh, there's one more up front, guys. Alright guys, here's the third one. So there's 1, 2, 3 hangers. So overall, the tailpipe was in pretty good shape, I'd say. It had about 50, there's about 55,000 miles on the truck. It's almost 6 years old in February, so there's rust there. This front part's really the worst. It's really rusted. But overall, pretty good. Alright, let's unbox this. Alright guys, every truck I've done exhaust on, I've always started it. Once there was no muffler, it was just the cats. Let's start and see what it sounds like. Won't let it run too long so it doesn't get too hot. Ooh, what do you think? Alright, that's enough. Never's gonna. So they give you new flange bolts here, which is nice, since mine are rusted. And then they give you clamps. Gaskets too, and nice clamps. Some anti-seize and the full bolts. Alright, I'm going to open the instructions and see what we got to do. Alright guys, first step is to align the head pipe. Alright, got it on. Let me get the gaskets. Alright, we're going to install one of these on the factory exhaust. Do it on both sides. They're 14 millimeters too, guys. So, all right, it says apply anti-seize to these, so I'm gonna do that now. Alright guys, it says torque needs to 35 foot-pounds. I'm just going to stump it out. Alright, let's see what the next step is. Alright guys, it was hard to film, but I got the tailpipe on. The route's over, I'll show you. I'm going underneath and show you. The hanging point is up there. There's a hanger for this pipe right here. Sorry, right there. Then the muffler's got a clamp that goes on here. Another clamp right here. And then I still need to torque these. I'm going to test fit the tip. And then I'm going to start it, make sure there's no leaks. And then I'm going to torque everything down. Overall, looking really good. Pretty nice. Alright guys, I got it all installed. Tip looks really nice down here. Start it up for the first time. Alright guys, let me know in the comments what you think. I'm excited. Can't wait to drive around, do a video of it driving, just so you guys hear the noise. Let me know in the comments. Thanks again, Corsa.